I'm Liba Hopeson. I'm a person who is very much concerned for society. Change is inevitable, but I want positive changes to happen in our society. You know, seemingly there are a lot of issues and problems in our society, and we need to tackle them. It is our responsibility to change our society, and to start with, we need to tap the talents of the students, the youngsters. We need to motivate them. Human resources need to be developed, and therefore I'm planning to give a motivational talk to the students of Sanii, and the talk will commence on 13th June, and it will be at Hills Academy of Science. So the students who are interested to join the talk, it will be just for 15 minutes. Anyone can participate, any student from any stream can join in the talk. The forms are available at ETech Infosys, Sanii NPO building. So if any students is interested, you can avail the form from ETech Infosys and join. There are many people who are living without self-esteem. They need to be encouraged so that they develop their self-esteem. Many people have ample of problems and pains and sufferings. They need to be encouraged so that they overcome all the struggles, that they begin to have patience and perseverance, and so that they tenaciously move forward and become somebody. Many students are living with despair, without hope, so I want to give hope to these students. And therefore I will talk about meaning, values, purpose, and a lot of other things which are necessary for our life. So if you have brothers or sisters, if you are parents, encourage your children to join, encourage your brothers and sisters to join, and if you are students, you are most welcome. It will start on 13th June, Hills Academy of Science, Old Market, every Thursday. The talk will just last 15 minutes. I call it 15 minutes motivational talk. It's published in the newspaper also. Everyone is welcome. There are only 66. So you can grab the opportunity and join, be a part of the talk. We will grow together. Thank you.